Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an exciting video for you guys that I haven't done in a long time. Two reasons why I wanted to post this video is because one, you guys have been asking me a lot to do an update on the items that I purchased, especially when it comes to the jewelry pieces. You guys wanted to know how they held up and I wanted to give you guys an update. Now I'm not going to show you everything because I've done a lot of Temu videos and that would probably like be 3 hours long for me to show you everything that I still have that I use, but I did want to show you some of my favorite items that I use every single day and the jewelry pieces that I use quite a bit and that I love. Some of the items that I'm going to show you, they might not be in stock, so I'm sorry if some of the items you guys will not be able to purchase. I will have all the links in the description box and I will also link it in the comment section. Basically a variety of like organizational stuff, some jewelry, and I do have some like little gadgets. Another reason why I'm doing this video is because Temu right now is currently having their Black Friday sales. A lot of their items are up to 90% off, which is mind-blowing. That makes me so excited. Make sure you look forward to more Temu hauls on my channel. I am bringing them back. I'm very excited to show you guys like all the items that I picked up, and I know that jewelry and fashion is very popular here on my channel when it comes to Temu. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. I miss doing Temu hauls so much. I've heard your comments on doing an update on these items, especially when it comes to the jewelry pieces. So here it is. If you never purchased anything on Temu, I highly recommend that you download their app because that way you would be able to get items up to 90% off, especially for Black Friday. That is such a huge sale right now going on that you guys cannot miss out. Temu is definitely worth it. I purchase items from Temu all the time. They always come in really fast too. It usually takes about, I would say, less than a week. And with that being said, this video is in collaboration with Temu. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So let me show you the items that I use every day, and then I'm going to show you my favorite jewelry pieces. First off is this one right here. Guys, if you do not have this, you need this. This is a wipe like holder. This is like a really nice thick material. Like it's plastic, but it's really hard. It does not like break or anything. I had this for over a year. I purchased like 2 or 3 of these. I have multiple of these. I absolutely love them. So I do have like baby wipes to wipe my toddler. I like to have one of these in my car, one in my room. I do have it on my nightstand. I have one in the bathroom. To fill this up, you just pull this apart. You put the wipes in here and then you just close it shut. It does not go anywhere, like nothing. This does not come open, and I really like that because it's very nice and sturdy. It's a white kind of like matte color. They do also have it in the black, but I like the white, so you guys know I got multiple of these. My wipes stay wet. It keeps like all the moisture in. It does not dry them up. Guys, this is something you need. I use this every day and I absolutely love it. Next off is this right here. So this is an iPhone cleaner and it also has water. It's really easy to use. You fill this up with water right here. It's like a spray bottle, and then you just push this in like so, and it sprays. It cleans your phone really nicely. As you can see, like my phone is really dirty. Just wipe it down like that. This is how it looks, really nice and clean. So I really love this. I am going to be getting more of these. This is something I use every day, so I do have one on my nightstand, and I am going to purchase several of these, especially to put one in my car. It might look funny and like what the heck. That's just like super cold. I've been having like really itchy back, I think because it's like dry, the air is dry, so my back has been getting really itchy, and I love this. This is a back scratcher and it expands really nice and long. Do you see that? And I really love it because it really gets in there. It gives me like the most amazing scratch. So this is so random, but guys, I'm telling you, I use this every single day. I love this, and it is stainless steel. You can just close this in like that. Really nice and compact. It does have this so you can hook it if you want. I just love this. I'm gonna buy more of these, especially in the car. I'm like that, guys. If I like something so much, I end up buying multiples of it because I like to have it in my car too. Here's this other gadget that I use quite a bit. So I have my AirPods, and I always have to clean my AirPods. You guys know if you have AirPods, you need to clean them out because somehow earwax gets in there. I know it sounds gross, but it's just what it is. So this is an AirPods cleaner and it looks like this, and I absolutely love it because it really does get in there and clean all that gunk. You can dig out the with this you could dig out like the wax. You can clean it with this. It does also have this where you can clean it. I absolutely love this, and I have this also on my nightstand to clean it whenever I need to. Onto the jewelry. You guys been asking. I love Temu jewelry. They are one of my favorites. How did my Temu jewelry hold up? I would have to say most of them held up pretty well. I still have most of them in my jewelry organizer, but I cannot show you all of them, but I am going to show you my favorites. So I do have quite a bit of rings and some jewelry pieces. First off is this right here. This is supposed to be like simulated emeralds, and it just looks so luxe. This is not tarnished on me. It does not make my finger green. A lot of these that I purchased does say that either they are sterling silver. I do think they are real silver because they have not tarnished on me and they don't turn my finger green. They're amazing. Absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. It is one of my favorites. So if I can still link these, whatever I can find as far as the jewelry pieces, I will. If you guys want to see like a thorough jewelry video from Temu, I'm gonna link the jewelry hauls from Temu in the description box as well, so that way you guys can see everything that I'm talking about. I also have all the links to the items as well. Here is the other one. This is one of my favorites as well. This is so pretty. It's very, very luxe. It is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Very comfortable too. You might think like this is probably uncomfortable because it's thick, but it's not. It has like really nice room. I enjoy wearing this a lot, and this does say that it's S925 for sterling silver. Really, really good. And let me show you guys actually a close-up. Like, there is no tarnish to these rings whatsoever. They're really great quality. Here is another one that I absolutely love. This is so stunning. Again, this one says it's sterling silver. This is a little big, so I usually put it like right here because I got in the 7. I actually love to wear it right here. It is so beautiful. Look at that shine, guys. It is unreal. And this one also says that it's $9.25 for sterling silver. Love it. Here is this one. This one is, I just love this. I feel like I'm wearing like an heirloom. So it's like pearls with a little rhinestones going all around. I love the detail. I'm telling you guys, Temu has like the best jewelry pieces. And then here's this one. This is, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's basically like a hummingbird to a flower, but it's like a rhinestone. And I just put this here just because it's a little big. In order to make it fit, I did buy the ring adjuster, so that way it fits better, and it fits really nicely now. Do you see that? It is so cute. I love like the 3D effect. So there's that. This one, oh my gosh, guys, this is so gorgeous. I love rings. If you guys don't know, rings are one of my favorite jewelry pieces along with earrings. They're just so pretty. Look at this. So gorgeous. There's this one as well, and they all say that they are sterling silver, just so you guys know. Look at that. It is so, so pretty. Very comfortable, great quality. None of them have tarnished on me. Especially the ones that said sterling silver. I am so impressed. And then here are my favorite earrings that I wore these so much. I absolutely love them. And it looks like this. So it says Chanel. It is so cool. I was so impressed with these. I cannot believe that they actually have these. I do believe they still have them on their website, but it's basically rhinestones and pearls. And the first one says Chanel, and then the other one says Nail for Chanel. These are just gorgeous. Amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this update video. I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time, and like I said, guys, if you want to see my other Temu videos, I will also link them in the description box, especially the jewelry hauls. I have several of them, so I will link them all, and that way you guys can see everything, because I've gotten, I think, at least over 200 pieces of jewelry from Temu, and I still have a lot of them with me that they are just really great quality, and they really do stand the test of time. One tip I will give you is if you want them to last a long time, keep them away from humidity. Do recommend to keep them in a closed, like a jewelry organizer of some sort. It does keep the dust away. Jewelry that I noticed that they are still going strong today from Temu are the ones that say sterling silver or stainless steel, gold plating, like 14 karat gold plating. They're really good. I'm very impressed. So yeah, these are some of my favorites I wanted to show you guys in the update, and along with the other items that I use every day. I genuinely love it. And like I said, guys, make sure you subscribe because I will be bringing you guys more videos from Temu. And since they are having their Black Friday sales, you guys got to get it because they're having one of the best sales of the year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.